He got new bike on his birthday. He got new bike on his birthday. He stayed inside and played with toy. He stayed inside and played with toy. She helps to plant seeds. She helps to plant seeds. I feel better after taking medicine. I feel better after taking medicine. I love cooking outside. I love cooking outside. These are my parents. These are my parents. I am filling out documents. I am filling out documents. He is playing with planes. He is playing with planes. Please sit on the chair silently. Please sit on the chair silently. My grandfather is the oldest in my family. My grandfather is the oldest in my family. My grandmother is very kind. My grandmother is very kind. I play basketball in ground. I play basketball in ground. He rides on the horse. He rides on the horse. She works on computer in office. She works on computer in office. He does tough exercise in gym. He does tough exercise in gym. I am playing piano. I am playing piano. I get off the bus. I get off the bus. Mop the floor to make it clean. Mop the floor to make it clean. Please stop yelling now. Please stop yelling now. I open the door slowly. I open the door slowly. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. He drinks water after running. He drinks water after running. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. They are playing in the park. They are playing in the park. She is washing the dishes. She is washing the dishes. He is fixing the chair. He is fixing the chair. I am learning new words. I am learning new words. She is feeding the cat. She is feeding the cat. He is cleaning the table. He is cleaning the table. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. She is folding the clothes. She is folding the clothes. He is opening the window. He is opening the window. I am waiting for my friend. I am waiting for my friend. She is drawing a picture. She is drawing a picture. He is helping his mother. He is helping his mother.